What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to get the bungalow in Shadow 1. So what you need to do is head over to the real estate office, and once you're there you will see a board with properties for sale. As you can see, we can buy the bungalow for just 6k, and if you would like to buy this bungalow, then you talk to Ray. And as you can see, we can purchase properties and businesses, but for now we will choose the property. After that, you can select bungalow and pay Ray $6,000 for this bungalow. Accept it, and now you have bought the property. So once you have bought it, head over to the bungalow, which is located in the other side of the city. As you can see, we are arrived at the bungalow. This is your bungalow. You have a container over here for all your trash and a parking spot in front of the bungalow. Also a water spot, so you can use water here. And once you enter the bungalow, you will find this first room. And this is basically where you can stack your supplies or something else. And also you can find a kitchen inside. A little storage rack, and once you open the door you will find another room here. And this is basically the bungalow. You can also exit outside. And there you will have a water point. And now you successfully bought the bungalow in Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!